the Jam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam family, the Jam family. Jam fam, come hang with me. Jam fam, come hang with me.
I'll be going to go pay my bill and settle the account for this one. So I'm going to JPS so that we can get the account clear. You can see how many people are already here waiting for one reason or another. I'm just hoping that the queue is not going to be long. It's not going to take ages. There's quite a few people waiting outside, so we'll see how it goes as we go in. Now I'm off to pay the other bill, so I've already done the flow bill that you can see the sign up in the distance. I've done that previously, not today, done it earlier in the month, and now I'm going over to do the water. So just finished the electric JPS. Now I'm going over to NWC to make that one. So hopefully it will go quickly too, because the JPS one went quickly. And now I've gone, paid my bills that I needed to pay, and now I'm back to go to this bank. Look at the queue outside. Some of those are people waiting to go to the cash point, but the others of them are people waiting to go in the bank, and the bank is even more crowded than this is. It's just absolutely ridiculous. I just went past the tax office and there was an extensive queue outside as well. It's just constantly, no matter what time of the day you come, this is what the queue is like. So let's see how today works and how much time I'm having to sacrifice in there. Yeah. Hey, Eliona got surprised at school with her visitor. Well, foreign bag run. So make we check out what the content. Woo! School shoes. Okay. And that's the charger for the tablet. Also, Nan sent the tablet for her grand niece or nephew, and Auntie Kamika sent it.
Why is this so big? I'm going to have to carry this big sitting
all by
school.
itself.
This is probably the same weight as my French, Spanish textbook and Spanish dictionary in total.
Well,
if not more.
That's the one your auntie sent you, and that's the thing. That's appreciation right there. You have one. Yep. So now you have your dictionary, and you can change these shoes. And now wear.
Why?
And now wear the new shoes, since they say that one isn't right. Now this one is, and that's it. Kamika, thank you. The dictionary has arrived.
They're so similar in size. They're like the same size. Oh my goodness.
So Kamika, look at the Spanish one, right? And look at the French one.
It's so heavy. It's like hurting my mouth.
Anyways, thank you so much for all the effort you've put into getting us this dictionary and the other things that you sent. And Eliona will be kitted out next week when she go back to school in the right attire. So I appreciate it. And tomorrow she's already put this in the bag, but she carry textbook them in, so she can carry go to school tomorrow. Thank you. Really longing to taste some gizzarda, so I decided I would get one. The people who make it is Mebs, so it says Mebs gizzarda, but I bought it in one of the shops. And now I'm going to have a little taste of it just to see what it tastes like, from what I can remember. So I've opened it and I'm going to try and have a taste just to say what it tastes like from memory compared to what I remember. So just looking at it, the filling isn't very thick inside of it, but the crust feels hard. So I just want to taste to see if it has that crunch to it and how sweet the filling is. Yep, the crust is crunchy, the underside is nice and brown. The filling is fine, it's not too sweet, but it could have a little bit more ginger in there. Overall, not too bad. It's my taste buds are being refreshed with it, but I would like it a little bit thicker for the filling. ginger in the taste.
The Jam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam family, the Jam family, Jam fam. Come hang with we, Jam fam. Come hang.